Hello children, how are you doing? Good? Great. Children, we have already studied about sentences, the different types, right from the exclamatory to declarative to simple and complex, and a huge variety how to use them. Today we will study about transformation of sentences. मतलब हम कैसे एक सेंटेंस को दूसरे में चेंज कर सकते हैं, क्या रूल्स फॉलो करने हैं. So let's begin with today's topic, transformation of sentences. आइए ये सेंटेंस बहुत ही ध्यान से पढ़ें. The knife has a sharp edge. The knife has not a blunt edge. Are these two sentences conveying the same sense, same meaning? Think about it and discuss. क्या दोनों एक ही बात है? थोड़ा सा ही फर्क है. मीनिंग सेम है कि नहीं? सोचिए इस बारे में. Now let's understand the rules of transformation and what is it actually. Changing the sentence without changing the meaning is called transformation. मतलब हम सेंटेंस तो चेंज करेंगे लेकिन उसका मीनिंग नहीं. Without changing the meaning is called transformation. Children, we know that sentences can be of different types depending on their meaning and structure. They can be classified as 4 types: affirmative, negative, imperative, interrogative, assertive and exclamatory based on their meaning. And we can change one or more type of a sentence to another without changing its meaning. Let's study these examples. Ahmed is hardworking. So this is assertive affirmative sentence. Ahmed is not lazy. Assertive but negative here. Same thing, assertive, but it has changed its form. Is Ahmed not hardworking? Interrogative now, it is a question. How hardworking Ahmed is? Exclamatory. बच्चों ये सारे सेंटेंस अलग अलग टाइप हैं लेकिन एक ही मैसेज कन्वे हो रहा है. Let's see the transformation of assertive, exclamatory and interrogative sentences. We can change an exclamatory sentence to an assertive sentence and vice versa. मतलब हम exclamatory sentence को assertive में चेंज कर सकते हैं यानी declarative भी कहते हैं. Vice versa means इसी का उलट यानी assertive को exclamatory में भी कर सकते हैं. Let's study these examples. How hot it is in Hyderabad! Exclamatory. Strong emotion. It is very hot in Hyderabad. So this is assertive. Means you're declaring something. Declarative sentence. She made a terrible mistake. This is assertive. What a terrible mistake she made! Exclamatory. Same meaning, different way. We can also change an interrogative sentence to assertive and vice versa. तो सेकेंड कैटेगरी हुई अगर आपका सेंटेंस क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में है यानी इंटेरोगेटिव, उसको हम डेक्लरेटिव या असर्टिव में चेंज करेंगे और बैकवर्ड्स उल्टा भी. एग्जाम्पल, डज शी हैव अ न्यू जॉब एज अ शॉप असिस्टेंट. ये क्लियरली इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है ना, क्वेश्चन है. अब हम इसे स्टेटमेंट में चेंज करेंगे. शी हैड अ न्यू जॉब एज अ शॉप असिस्टेंट. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि मेन मीनिंग जो कन्वे हो रहा है सेंटेंस में वो चेंज ना हो. वर्ड्स इधर उधर हो सकते हैं, वर्ड्स चेंज हो सकते हैं, मीनिंग वही रहना चाहिए. इज इट अ गुड आइडिया टू स्टे अप लेट नाइट? इंटेरोगेटिव, यस. It isn't a good idea to stay up late night. Now is it assertive? Yes, this is assertive or declarative form. So we have a small exercise to practice this topic. Now let's see the transformation of affirmative and negative sentences. बच्चों affirmative मतलब positive, negative जहाँ वो action नहीं हो रहा है. An affirmative sentence makes a positive statement. a negative sentence makes a negative statement. As simple to understand, ये याद रखिए आप, positive statement, negative statement. Now we can change an affirmative sentence to a negative sentence by using an antonym for the adjective, adverb or verb, and adding a negative word. तो ये कुछ rules हैं, हम वो change कैसे कर सकते हैं? या तो हम antonym use करें किसके लिए? Adjective के लिए, adverb के लिए या verb के लिए, and adding a negative word. Let's understand through these examples. She always speaks the truth. अब ये एक affirmative यानी positive statement है. इसको हम change करेंगे और negative बनाएंगे. She never tells lies. अब हमने truth को change कर दिया. Telling lie means not speaking the truth. Yeah, so same meaning. Second example, it is not easy to speak the truth at all times. It is not easy. तो ये negative statement है, right? अब हम इसे positive में change करेंगे. It is difficult to speak the truth at all times, right? तो हमने यहाँ पे antonym use किया, easy, difficult, always, never, जो हमने अभी rule discuss किया था. The words ever in an interrogative sentence becomes never in the assertive. तो अगर interrogative में ever है, वो assertive में never हो जाएगा. Like, has Suresh ever gone to the zoo? क्या सुरेश कभी zoo गया है? Suresh has never gone to the zoo. कभी नहीं. We have a small practice exercise here. Do attempt it to revise this subtopic. Now let's see the transformation of simple and compound sentences which you learned recently. We know that a simple sentence consists of one subject and one predicate. हमने अभी पढ़ा था कि simple sentence में एक ही subject होगा और एक ही predicate होगा. What happens in compound? A compound sentence consists of two or more coordinating clauses, each of which has its own subject, own predicate. तो अलग अलग clauses और दोनों के अपने अपने subjects और अपने अपने predicate. Now, children, simple sentences can be transformed into compound sentences by using coordinating conjunctions like and, but, for, nor, or, yet and so. तो हम change करेंगे simple sentences को किस में? Compound में. Let's see how. The film being boring, we decided to leave the theatre midway. Now this is a simple sentence. It is one complete thought. Now let's change it to compound. यानी दो clauses तो होंगे. The film was boring, so we decided to leave the theatre midway. अब यहाँ दो clauses मिल गए हमें. पहला, the film was boring, one complete thought. Second, we decided to leave the theatre midway. And what is the conjunction, children? So, this is the conjunction. तो हमने सिर्फ एक conjunction add करके दो different clauses बना दिए. You must eat a good breakfast to feel energetic through the day. This is one complete thought. इसलिए ये है simple sentence. अब हम इसे compound में change करते हैं. देखते हैं क्या हम कोई conjunction fit कर सकते हैं. You must eat a good breakfast or you will not feel energetic through the day. तो जो second portion था हमने उसको थोड़ा सा change कर दिया, उसे negative form में ले लिया. Last here, she went to the park and played with her friends. This is compound. Another example of simple. Going to the park, she played with her friends. So this is how here and was used to make a compound sentence. Then we have transformation of simple and complex sentences. Simple sentences can be transformed into complex sentences by expanding a word or phrase into a subordinate clause. अब ये भी पॉसिबल है कि सिंपल सेंटेंस को हम चेंज कर दें कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस में. कैसे? बाय एक्सपैंडिंग अ वर्ड. एक वर्ड या कोई फ्रेज है उसको हम इतना एक्सपैंड कर देंगे कि वो एक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज बन जाए, क्योंकि सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज तो कॉम्प्लेक्स में चाहिए होते हैं, है ना. दिस सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज can be a noun clause, an adjective clause or an adverb clause. Let's read this example together. The man standing across the street is a famous painter. ये एक simple sentence है, right? एक complete thought है. अब हम देखते हैं इसे हम complex में कैसे change करेंगे. The man who is standing across the street is a famous painter. We were shocked to hear about the flood in Chennai. We were shocked to hear that a flood had hit Chennai. So this became a complex. अब पहले सेंटेंस में हमने क्या ऐड किया? Who is standing across the river. ये मिला हमें एक इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. is a famous painter. ये second clause मिला, right? Similarly, दूसरे sentence में we were shocked to hear that a flood had hit Chennai. तो हमने यहाँ that use किया. तो ये आप underline portion देखो, ये हमें dependent clause मिला. So just by stretching few words and making into a phrase, we can get complex sentences. Children, I hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. How to change one sentence, one type of sentence to another. Do revise all the rules. Practice by attempting the given exercises here and also your own sentences.